The fully automatic depositing candy production line equipment is divided into soft candy production line, hard candy production line, lollipop production line, milk candy processing equipment and other candy processing equipment. Candy production line processing flow and technical introduction. Candy production line processing technology, raw material mixing and boiling, candy depositing and molding, candy mold molding, candy cooling, candy packaging, raw material preparation. The main raw materials of candy include sugar, glucose syrup, water, edible coloring, spices, etc. The main raw materials of soft candy include gelatin, glucose syrup, etc. These raw materials are accurately proportioned and mixed. Boil and dissolve. The mixed raw materials are heated to a molten state to form a liquid syrup. The heating temperature is generally 110 degrees. Control the temperature and time of the syrup to ensure that the syrup reaches a specific concentration and viscosity. Candy depositing and molding. After the syrup is boiled, the boiled syrup is transported to the candy depositing and molding machine. The depositing candy molding machine has a heating function. Shape as needed. Hard candy and lollipops can be molded by molds to ensure consistent shape and size. Cooling and solidification. The formed candies are cooled and solidified through cooling belts or cooling chambers to ensure that the candies meet the hardness and structure requirements. Packaging. After cooling and solidification, the candies are sent to the packaging machine for packaging. The packaging usually includes plastic bags, color boxes, etc.